Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2017 on a 67 plate Volkswagen Polo Match. This is the 1.2 TSi petrol with the automatic gearbox and 5 doors, finished in deep black pearl, and it's covered just 16,000 miles. So we'll have a good walk around this really nice low mileage Polo automatic. We do like a Polo here at Bowen's Garage, and we like the automatic ones even more. Ever such a good news vehicle. September 2017 registered on a 67 plate, 16,000 miles only. 2 former keepers. Decent service history. We've got 3 recorded services, so well maintained despite the very low mileage. It's got matching Hankook tyres all the way around that are as good as new, really. 15-inch silver alloy wheels which complement the deep black pearl. Ever such a nice colour, looks a classy bit of kit. 1.2 TSi petrol, so goes really well with that 7-speed automatic gearbox. £190 a year to tax, as with all cars of this age, and well over 50 miles to the gallon combined run according to Volkswagen as well. So very economical day to day, nice low insurance group, 5-door practicality, and this is the match specification, so it's got a really good level of specification. You get the alloy wheels, remote central locking, does come supplied with 2 remote keys. As we have a look inside, all the seats in really good shape. All the bolsters, etc., all good. Excuse the paper carpet mat, we were running low, so it's one of the old ones. Remote central locking does come supplied with 2 remote keys, 4 electric windows, electronically adjustable heated and power folding door mirrors. It does have its original carpet mats, automatic lights, steering wheels in really good shape, and on there you've got controls for your Bluetooth, radio, you've got your cruise control. There's your mileage, 16,500. Down below we've got a manual handbrake, cup holder at the back. There's your DSG automatic gearbox, really nice and smooth. 12-volt socket, auxiliary input, USB, another couple of cup holders there. In the glove box we've got all your handbooks, locking wheel nut key as well. And then up above, very straightforward Volkswagen finish. You've got air conditioning. Up above you've got this infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and so on, DAB digital radio, Bluetooth for your telephone, start-stop facility which you can switch off. It has front and rear parking sensors which you can switch on and off using that button, and there is also a parking pilot that comes up on the screen there as well if I put it into reverse. So really nice level of trim, very easy to get along with, typically Volkswagen. Into the rear, again you've got your carpet mats, electric windows in the back, 3 headrests with 3 proper seat belts, and of course the ISOFIX for the child seats as well. Plenty of room, very comfortable 5-seater. And then round to the back of the car, parcel shelf at the top, split folding rear seats, and then a really good sized boot space. Not much of a lip to negotiate. This does lift up and lift out if needed to give you some more space. And then underneath, the luxury of a full-size spare wheel, again with a Hankook tyre and all your other bits and bobs. So there we have it, September 2017 Volkswagen Polo Match Automatic, 1.2 petrol, 2 former keepers, 16,000 miles, good service history, 50 plus miles to the gallon, nice low insurance group, ticks an awful lot of boxes. Finance is available from less than £230 a month based on a 10% deposit, and the car will come supplied with a fresh advisory, free MOT along with 2 remote keys and our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. And we do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via email which is sales@bowensgarage.co.uk, and for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. One of our most popular cars over the years, without doubt. This is a nice one. I'm sure it won't be here long. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next.